Finally, I am home.
Welcome back, Alex. How was college today?
Long. Very long. I had 2 lectures and a group project meeting. That sounds like a busy day. It was. My brain needs a break now.
Alex, look at my drawing.
Oh, wow. That looks nice.
This is our house, and this is our garden.
Where am I in the picture?
You are inside the house playing video games.
That sounds accurate.
Hey, I do more than play games.
Really? Like what?
I also eat snacks.
Lena, did you finish your homework?
Yes, Mom. I finished it before Alex came home.
Good job.
Lena is more responsible than me.
Sometimes, yes.
You know, today feels like a perfect evening to relax.
I was thinking the same thing.
Relax sounds wonderful right now.
Wait! I have an idea!
What is it?
Let's have a family movie night.
That actually sounds nice.
Movie night?
It has been a long time since we did that.
Yes! We can watch a movie together and eat popcorn.
Now you are speaking my language.
Popcorn is always a good idea.
Please say yes!
All right, I think we all need a relaxing evening.
Then it is decided.
Tonight is family movie night.
So what movie are we watching?
That is the big question.
Easy, let's watch an action movie.
No action movies tonight.
Why not?
Too much noise. Too many explosions.
Mom, explosions make movies exciting.
I don't want explosions.
Then what do you want?
An adventure movie! Something with treasure, jungles, and secret maps!
Lena, you always choose adventure movies.
Because they are the best!
Let's see what we have here.
I prefer a nice family movie.
Family movies are always emotional.
That is not a bad thing.
What about a movie with animals?
Animals?
Yes, maybe a dog hero!
That could be interesting.
Look, this one is a superhero movie.
Absolutely not.
Why does every movie I like get rejected?
Because tonight is family movie night, not Alex movie night.
Exactly!
I feel very outnumbered.
What if we watch a movie that has adventure, family, and a little comedy?
That sounds fair.
That might work.
Here is one. A family goes on a treasure hunt in the mountains.
Treasure?
Mountains and treasure? Okay, that sounds cool.
And it says it is a family adventure.
Yes! Yes! That one!
All right, Lena wins this time.
Good. The movie is chosen.
Wait, before we start the movie, this living room needs some preparation.
Preparation?
What preparation?
A proper movie night needs a comfortable room and snacks.
Ooh, yes, snacks!
I'll get the snacks ready.
Mom, what snacks are we making?
Popcorn, of course.
Yay, I love popcorn.
Lena, bring me the popcorn kernels.
Okay. Mom, it's too high.
Careful, don't climb.
Need some help?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, Dad. Whoa! It sounds like fireworks!
That is the popcorn dancing.
Popcorn party.
I heard popcorn.
You always appear when there is food.
That is my special talent.
smells amazing.
Movie night is officially starting.
Wow, that is a mountain of popcorn.
Are we ready?
Yes, start the movie!
Finally.
Everyone relax and enjoy.
Wow!
Looks interesting already.
Look, they have a treasure map! Why is it so dark?
Because something scary might happen.
It's just the movie. Lena, you get scared too easily.
I am not scared. A secret door!
Now the treasure is close.
Or maybe there is a trap. What is inside? Come on, open it!
This popcorn makes the movie even better.
Homemade popcorn is always the best. It really does.
I like family movie night.
Me too.
Watching together is always more fun than watching alone.
Come on, run!
The bridge is breaking!
Yes! He made it!
That was close.
That was exciting.
Looks like the movie is ending.
That was a great movie.
I loved the treasure part.
My favorite part was the adventure in the forest.
Wow, we finished all the popcorn.
That was mostly Lena.
Hey!
It's okay. Movie night needs popcorn.
Next week we should do this again.
Yes! Another movie night!
Maybe next time I choose the movie. No way. Thank you everyone for helping tonight.
The best part was spending time together.
Family movie night is the best night.
Movies are fun, but family time is even better. All right, movie's over. Time for bed.
It was a wonderful night.
Yeah! The popcorn was the best.
Can we watch again tomorrow?
Of course, sweet dreams.
Today was a very fun family movie night. We watched a movie, ate popcorn, and spent time together. I think family time is very special. Do you like watching movies with your family? What is your favorite movie? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English stories. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story. Bye!